holes on each side. Those are gonna go on the bottom on each side. We're gonna do 2 on the top. Those holes drilled. On top and the bar will set in it, so doesn't look like we did much, but closer than it looks. Alright guys, so we're back at it here. This is day 3. So yeah, we got the side plates put in yesterday. So today we're gonna try to end up cutting these pieces off here, make it look good. Add some welds here, finish welding up here, inside of here, across there. So you can see we got that welded in. Some of that's, I don't know, it's not too bad. Not too bad. I don't do this much, but it looks pretty good for that. So today, I was worried about that flexing out like that. So what we're gonna do today is I've got some gussets here I had cut out. And I wanted to leave it so I could bolt it on because I'm gonna put a 2-inch receiver hitch in the middle of it. So I can do 2 implements out of one, or 2 different pieces out of one. So what we're gonna do, let's get it lined up. One there, one over the top there. Boom, boom, and then boom, boom, just to strengthen that up, and then we'll still be able to take the bolts out. So
Ryan Little.
Japan.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
all the welds are complete. So just sort of run through this backing plate right here. It's this 3/8 backing plate. I actually bought this offline just because I didn't want to make it. It's just universal skid steer hookup. I think it was like 170 bucks. And then you got 2 pieces of 4-inch angle, one there, one there. They're welded halfway on, halfway off to give it wide. The rolls are 48 inches wide there. All right, so I bolted it on, bolted, same thing on the other side. So I can actually pull this piece off. And then I'm gonna put a 2-inch receiver hitch in the middle of this, as long as I have clearance with the roll on there. So that way I can use this backing plate for 2 things instead of 1. I'm gonna paint it, throw some black on there, some implement paint. So I got this one hooked in on that side. Not a pipe welder, but not too bad. Yeah, just plate sits down, notched. The angle just kind of, it's just for support. There's not really a certain angle I've mathed out or anything. I'm gonna leave this side off for now. I'm gonna get me a roll to mock up on here, mock one up, see how it does. And either gonna throw a big pin through here, slide a big washer on, put a pin through it, or making you just get another washer, slide through the roll. The roll will stay in here, you know, inside of this, and then it can just catch on the outside of that, like the other side. But yeah, it's been a fun project so far. So I think most of the construction is just about done. And then, oh yeah, I got the 4 gussets, one on the bottom, on the very top, and then on each side of that bolt, so it doesn't flex in and out. Work. Oh. All right, we're gonna hit this thing with some sandpaper. And we're gonna throw some implement paint on it and make it look pretty. Oh no, that's money, babe. This is gonna get all scratched up anyways, but oh well. Who cares? Oh yeah, look at that texture. Like a wall. Like a wall. Hang this bad boy up in your dining room when I get done with it. Probably not, but yeah. Alright, we got it all done. I got a few places I got to touch up just because the chain is going across it, but I think it looks pretty good. So, doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. It's like a fabricator's first week project. Alright, sounds good. Once it gets dried, we're gonna get it on the skid and get a roll coming and adjust that end pipe there. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do in this end right here. I don't think I'm gonna paint it because it's gonna be rubbing around all the time, but yeah.